Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is new channel only. For you, improve your English speaking.
Yes, and if you are new here, please support us. Hit the subscribe button and press the like button.
Because this channel is made especially for you. Here you will get daily English conversation practice. Simple English, real-life talks, and easy learning.
So, if you want to improve your English and confidence, then this channel is perfect for you.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and stay connected with us.
Let's learn English in a fun way together. Lisa, do you also feel that some days are just boring?
Yes, Hector, but I think boring days are important too. They help us slow down and think.
I never thought like that. I usually try to escape boring days by scrolling my phone.
That's what most people do. But tell me, after scrolling for hours, do you feel happy?
Honestly, no, I feel more tired and confused.
Exactly. That's why I started limiting my screen time. Now I go for walks or just sit quietly.
Sounds simple but difficult to follow.
True. But small habits change everything. Even 20 minutes without your phone can make a difference.
Lisa, do you think confidence is something we are born with?
Not really. Confidence is built. It comes when you try things again and again, even after failing.
But what if people laugh at you?
Let them. People always talk, but your growth matters more than their opinion.
That's strong. 100%. I think I care too much about what others think.
We all do, but slowly you learn to focus on yourself.
What do you do when you feel low?
I write my thoughts in a notebook. It helps me clear my mind.
Really? Does it actually help?
Yes, when thoughts are inside your head, they feel heavy. When you write them, they become lighter.
I should try that. I usually keep everything inside.
Hector, what is your biggest goal right now?
I want to speak English fluently without fear.
That's a great goal. But remember, fluency doesn't come overnight.
Then how should I improve?
Speak daily, even if you make mistakes. Watch English videos. Repeat sentences. Practice is the key.
So mistakes are okay?
Not just okay, they are necessary.
You always sound so positive. Don't you ever feel stressed?
Of course I do, but I don't let stress control me. I try to understand it.
How?
Hector, life is not about being perfect. It's about improving every day.
I think I needed to hear that today.
We all do sometimes.
I feel a little lighter after talking to you.
That's what good conversations do. They don't change the world instantly, but they change how we see it.
Can we talk like this more often?
Of course, let's make it a daily habit. Every small conversation has the power to change your thinking. Speak more, learn more, grow more. This channel is for daily English conversation and learning.
Support us and join our journey.
Thank you. Bye.